How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create or start polls on Facebook. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and there are a couple of different ways to do it. One of which being doing it in a group. It could either be private or public. It doesn't matter. It should work just the same. And if you guys happen to be an admin of a business group or rather a page on Facebook, then you can do the same thing too. So I'm going to show you the group method, and to actually demonstrate what I mean, let's click on groups here. So I created a John Doe account just to uh, make this video. So as you can see, groups you've joined, here's Cobra Kai fans. So you want to simply click on it, and right off the bat, as a member, you're able to start polls here. So if I were to click on start poll, you could write something like who is the strongest, and then we can add a couple of different options and have people choose between the choices and have a lot of fun with it. So something like, okay, so let's actually add a topic here. So who is the strongest Viltrumite? So there's Thrag. So this one is from Invincible. There's Omni-Man, Invincible, and if you want to add more options, simply click on that. I mean, everything here, all of the options here are pretty self-explanatory. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure it out, so you guys should be good to go. And okay, so here we are. And then you make the post, and people can actually vote. So let's wait for it. So I'm gonna vote for Thrag because obviously, So there you are. That's how you can create poll or start polls on Facebook. So if this video helped you guys out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.